Hello, in this video we will create a Google App Engine account and create our small application and deploy it on the App Engine console. So first we will visit the website cloud.google.com. Click on try it free. Choose the account with which you want to create the account. Here I'm choosing one of my account, and so when you create an account, you'll be prompted for a payment information, and once you are set up with the payment information, you'll be prompted for authentication. Once you authenticate, that account will be set up. As I've already created an account before as part of a project, I'm given this Google Cloud Platform console directly. Now the first thing we will do is we'll create a new project by clicking create project. Let's give it a name, Comp281 Lab 2. Click on create. Now we should be able to see our created project here. Here it is, Comp281 Lab 2. Well, there is currently no resources allocated, nothing, so we will be given this console. Click on the Google Cloud API, Google Cloud Platforms. Click on this icon. When you click on the left link, you will be given different options. Click on App Engine. So now in order to access the project from your local machine, you need to click here, download Google API Engine SDK. You'll be prompted with a step-by-step guide that will guide you to download the SDK. Click PHP. I'm going to upload PHP project, as I intend to deploy my own website afterwards. So follow the steps and download the SDK. As I've already downloaded, I'm not going to do the same. Now let's go back to the Google App Engine console. Here it is. Let's select the language, PHP. Choose the closest server and deploy. It takes a little while. The closest server helps reducing the latency. We are not going to follow the tutorial right now, but you can do it if you are doing it for the first time. So let's choose the project and activate Google Cloud Shell from here. In order to deploy our project, and we will actually create a .php page that will be accessible from the external machines that we will deploy on the cloud. And in order to configure that application, we'll be building a file called app.yam. In order to do this, first we will create a directory called lab2. Let's create a directory, lab2 test. Now switch to that directory, create a file f dot it seems that Google Cloud is that accesses again. Switch to the folder lab2test, create a file f.yaml, open it using Vim editor as it's a console. There is no UI available. Now provide the configurations as mentioned here. Runtime would be PHP 55. Now first I need to enable writing. Runtime would be PHP 55. API version would be 1. Handlers mentions the parameters that on which URL which file would be accessed. So we will be creating a file named firstpage.html. That is the file we will deploy later. Firstpage.php. Save the file. Create a file called firstpage.php. So you can write an entire PHP file here, but we will be writing a greeting message with close the tag, save the file. Now you need to upload the same files over cloud. So let's just say gcloud app deploy. This will say yes. This will deploy the file. Now say gcloud app browse in order to get the IP using which we will browse our application. Instead of this first page.php, we can deploy an entire application by deploying that folder. We can also download our project from Git instead of creating page by ourselves. So now here is the address using which we will access our page. HTTPS. Here we got our message. So this is a very simple application process. You can deploy any of your application by following the same steps. Thank you so much for watching.